Now in this video we'll see some examples or based on some expression which is given in your book also, page number 69. Now see, in this one example expression we have to solve. This is the expression is given and we have to construct a truth table. Now we, as it is taking two premises, that is A and B, it is taken, so we will take it like that only. Now first we have to construct like 0 0 0 1 1 0 and 1 1. Now we have to first it is showing over here A plus B, means A conjunction B, like A or B. Now in this one we'll see this, we'll have to remember in this one what happens, we have to see the rule which we have discussed over here, which we have discussed in the last video. That is, in conjunction what happens when there is both the values is false, then the result will come false. Otherwise in every condition, means in every situation, it will be true value, means it will come 1. Only when there is 0 0 value is given, so the result will come 0 and rest all it will come 1. Now the next expression, next is 1 in 1 and A plus B, means A, what is given over here, A and in the bracket A or B. This we have to prove whether this is correct or not. Now we'll see this one. From here, this we'll see this table, this one, and we have to see this table, means we have to see this and this table. Now we'll see in this one, here it is written and, here it is and is given according to the given rule. According to the given rule means according to the conjunction, according to the conjunction rule, what we have to see, according to conjunction we have to see there where there is, in conjunction where there is true value, both the values are true, then result will come true. Means where there is 1 is given, like when we 1 is given, so the result will come 1, and where here also you can see 1, and here also we can see here 1. So when there is true values, both the values are true, then the result will come true. Otherwise it will come false. Okay, so now it is proved that now we have to prove it, or this is we have construct this table expression. We using with this expression we have to construct it, so we have constructed. Now come to the next example, that using with the truth table, prove that P conditional Q is equivalent to dash P dash Q conditional dash P. Okay, now we'll see this one. First we'll keep how we can do this. Just see over here, we have to take two premises. As you already know, only there is two premises, either PQ and Q dash and P dash. So we have to write over here. Now how we can do this, we have to take in one table, like here PQ in one table, like 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. Now in this one also Q dash and P dash, you can also write like this, Q dash and P dash, like this also we can write. Now P dash and Q dash, we have to see just opposite of this. If there is 0, then we have to write here 1. If there is 0, if we have to write 1. Now again Q dash is given, so here if it is Q is 1, then Q dash is 0. If there is 0, then it will be 1. If there is 1, there is 0. So same like we have to do with the P and P dash, P and P dash, like here 1 as 0 1, and it will come 0. If 1, then it is 0. We have to draw like that only. Now next the concept is coming that we have to prove it P conditional to Q. Now P conditional to Q, P conditional to Q, here we have to see in the P conditional to Q. How we can write the answer over here? P conditional to Q. This we have to see. As we already know, conditional one, when there is P value is 1 and Q value is 0, then the result will come 0. Otherwise, in every situation, it will come 1. Only it will come where there is P value is 1 and Q value is 0, then the result will come 0. Otherwise, it will come 1. Now it is proof condition for prove that P conditional Q is proof. Now we'll prove this one also. Now here what it is given, equivalent. Equivalent means it is equals to this one. We have to prove this P conditional to Q is equivalent to dash Q conditional to dash P. We have equivalent to this. So we have to prove this. It means what? The value, whatever the result will come, it will come same. Now we'll see this one here like over there. Now if in this one, in condition, when we talk about this conditional, what happens when there is 1, P is 1 and Q is 0, when there is Q when there is just opposite, when there is P dash is 0, and it will be P dash 0 and Q is 1, Q dash is 1, then the result will come 0. Otherwise it will come 1 only. Means when we talk about P dash, when we talk about the P dash, when P dash is 0 and Q dash is 1, then the result will come 0. Otherwise, in every situation, it will come 1 only. Okay. So, as you can see, it is equivalent, means it is equals to P conditional Q is equals to dash Q conditional to dash P. It is totally proof. It is totally proof that it is equals to this one. So this is equals to this one. Why? Because you can see both the output or we can say both the result is coming what? 1 1 0 1. It is coming 1 1 1 1 and 0 1. So it is proved that it is P conditional to Q is equivalent to dash Q conditional to dash P. It is proved. So, and this is what this is also called. This is also called what? This type of rule is called transpositions law or transpositions. This rule is also called transposition rule. Okay, I hope this is helpful for you, and it is you can easily understand this. Thank you.